Hot work combustion technology set the standard for thermal process equipment in the aluminium industry. Several of the processes in the aluminium industry require a substantial amount of heat, whether for preheating equipment prior to putting it into service or for the production process itself. For many of these processes, combustion provides the optimum method of transferring heat. As specialists in thermal process and combustion technology, Hotwork CT have developed a range of systems for both the primary and secondary industries with a particular emphasis on performance, reliability, safety, energy efficiency and preservation of the environment. Hotwork have in fact pioneered the application of systems which are now widely used in the aluminium industry, such as the baking of reduction cells using combustion and the melting of aluminium using regenerative burner technology. Hotwork CT specialise in the following areas: cathode block preheating, reduction cell preheating, crucible preheating and aluminium melting. Prior to the process of casting collector bars into carbon blocks, it is recommended that the bar and block assemblies are preheated first. Hotwork have developed an innovative gas-fired lift-off cover system which uses infrared metal mesh burners, radiating heat down onto the collector bars. By operating on stoichiometric ratio, the burners run in energy-efficient infrared mode, maximizing heat transfer onto the collector bars. The system provides excellent temperature uniformity over the entire length of collector bars, as well as automatic, safe, consistent and repeatable preheating. It also virtually eliminates oxidization of carbon blocks and helps minimize the bending of bars during casting, thus reducing the level of rejects. Thermal bake, or the process of preheating reduction cells by means of combustion, is now widely considered to provide a better quality of cell bake compared with electrical preheating methods, and has been proven to extend cell life considerably. Since Hotwork pioneered this technology in the 1970s, over 50 units have been sold to major smelters worldwide. Hotwork CT's scope in this area consists of the turnkey supply of a compact, fully automatic, heavy-duty and mobile cell preheat combustion system, together with the specialist know-how to carry out successful cell baking. By insulating the pot to form a combustion chamber and by using purpose-built high-velocity burners, heat is contained and transferred to the cathode more uniformly, resulting in a thoroughly baked cell lining and avoiding hot spots and cracks from thermal shock when the cell is being fluxed. With this technology, cell startup has been proven to be smoother, pull-up voltages to be lower, typically less than 10 volts, and cells to stabilize earlier. It has also been found that aluminium production starts earlier once the cell has been put online. As no electrical power is used for the preheating process, more power is available for production, and the cathodes and anodes are preserved as they're not used and consumed during preheating. Setting up and removing the system is fast and easy, and the technology can be used on either pre-bake or Soderberg cells. Choices of fuels include natural gas, LPG or diesel oil. The use of combustion for heating crucibles presents significant advantages as regards metal transfer, crucible availability and refractory life. Hotwork CT's compact crucible heating technology, which is suitable for both drying and preheating, is based on the use of forced convection in order to achieve close temperature distribution and accurate temperature control. During drying, high excess air levels ensure that moisture from the green refractory lining is removed effectively and uniformly. The system would then operate on stoichiometric ratio during preheating, providing fast, efficient and uniform heat-up, thus conditioning the crucibles more rapidly and preventing chilling of liquid metal when the crucibles are filled. When the crucibles return from production, the system can also be used for melting down any dross and aluminium left inside, which, once poured out, would leave crucibles clean and ready to go back into production. The same system can also be designed to heat up different sizes of crucibles. Essentially, with a hotwork CT crucible heating system, the process of transferring aluminium becomes more efficient and flexible, and crucible refractory life is prolonged. Hotwork CT is a leader in the supply of high productivity, energy-saving and environmentally friendly combustion systems for aluminium melting and holding furnaces, either for new plant or as part of retrofit projects. In the early 1980s, Hotwork developed the highly energy-efficient compact regenerative burner system, and was the first company to install this system on an aluminium melting furnace. Since then, out of 1,300 pairs of Hotwork regenerative burners installed worldwide, over 200 pairs are to be found in the aluminium industry. Hotwork's regenerative burner technology combines high convection and high radiation in order to improve heat transfer to the load, thus substantially increasing melt rates in comparison with cold air systems. The application of Hotwork's well-proven regenerative principle also results in outstandingly low specific energy consumptions in the region of 500 kilowatt-hours per tonne. With Hotwork's latest development, the flameless E-Jet ultra-low NOx regenerative burner, aluminium producers are also guaranteed to meet ever more stringent environmental legislation. The reliability of a Hotwork regenerative combustion system is proven the world over, on both gas and oil-fired applications. Combined with excellent performance, high efficiency and low emissions, it makes this system the ideal choice for melting aluminium. For the recycling of aluminium dross and scrap in rotary tilting furnaces, the Hotwork high-velocity burner has established itself as the most efficient type of burner for this type of application. With its long flame path and convective heat transfer properties, rapid and uniform heating is achieved. Its ability to operate with a wide turn-down ratio and fuel-to-air ratios, varying in response to process conditions, this type of burner plays a critical role on a furnace designed for increased metal recovery and high melt rates. This comprehensive range of combustion systems is the result of a long and successful relationship with the aluminium industry, during which Hotwork pioneered a number of technologies which are now widely used throughout the world. With a firm leadership in the field of combustion, a customer-orientated service ethos, a strong commitment to research and development, and an experienced team of engineers, Hotwork will continue to work closely with aluminium producers to endeavour to improve their existing thermal processes, as well as identify new opportunities to innovate.